Infuse your backyard with a sprinkle of romance using heart-shaped brick edging, fashioning those bricks into darling hearts that line your flower beds with affectionate flair. This tender touch brings a whimsical charm to your outdoor haven, evoking feelings of love and unity with every glance. Picture perfect for celebrating special moments or simply reveling in the joy of togetherness, this sweet and sentimental edging idea turns your garden into a haven of heartfelt beauty. So, gather those bricks, let your creativity soar, and watch as your outdoor space blossoms into a love-filled sanctuary that's simply enchanting. Let Mother Nature work her magic in your backyard with river rock edging, letting those smooth stones weave their organic charm around your garden beds. This rustic touch brings a delightful blend of texture and visual allure to your outdoor haven, effortlessly melding with the natural landscape. Say hello to a backyard retreat that feels like a tranquil escape into the wilderness, where every step is a reminder of the beauty that surrounds you. So, grab those river rocks, let your creativity flow, and watch as your outdoor space transforms into a serene sanctuary that's simply irresistible. Transform your backyard into a whimsical wonderland with the enchanting charm of whimsical bottle edging. Repurpose those colorful glass bottles to craft a vibrant border for your flower beds. This eco-friendly and eye-catching idea infuses your outdoor haven with a playful spirit, guaranteed to spark conversations and delight your guests. Say goodbye to mundane borders and hello to a kaleidoscope of hues dancing along your garden path. Let your creativity flow and watch as your backyard blooms with personality and pizzazz. Get ready to bask in the magic of your own little slice of whimsy. Transform your backyard into a tropical paradise with bamboo edging, weaving those bamboo poles into a natural border that brings a touch of the tropics to your garden beds. This exotic and eco-conscious edging idea infuses your landscape with a vibrant flair, whisking you away to a tranquil oasis bursting with lush greenery and serene beauty. Say aloha to a backyard retreat where the breeze whispers through the leaves, and the scent of tropical flowers dances on the air. So, grab those bamboo poles, let your imagination take flight, and embark on a journey to create a haven of tropical splendor right in your own backyard. Brighten up your backyard with painted tire edging, repurposing recycled tires into a playful border for your garden beds. Splash those tires with vibrant colors and arrange them in funky patterns to craft a cheerful and eco-conscious edging idea that's bursting with personality. It's a fun and inventive way to add a pop of color to your outdoor space while doing your part for the environment. So, grab those brushes, unleash your creativity, and let's turn those tires into a kaleidoscope of joy that'll make your garden beds the talk of the town. Elevate your backyard style game with geometric concrete block edging, arranging those sturdy blocks into captivating shapes and patterns that redefine the borders of your garden beds. This bold and modern edging concept injects your outdoor haven with architectural flair, turning heads and sparking conversation with its eye-catching allure. Ideal for aficionados of sleek lines and contemporary aesthetics, this edging idea transforms your garden into a gallery of geometric elegance. So, roll up your sleeves, unleash your inner architect, and let's sculpt a backyard masterpiece that's sure to leave a lasting impression. Step into the cozy embrace of cottage style in your backyard with picket fence edging, where white wooden picket fences elegantly frame the borders of your flower beds. This classic and timeless concept infuses your landscape with a touch of nostalgia, whisking you away to the idyllic charm of a countryside cottage garden. Picture perfect for creating a warm and inviting atmosphere, it's like bringing a piece of pastoral paradise right into your own backyard. So, grab those picket fences, channel your inner country dweller, and let's transform your outdoor space into a haven of rustic elegance and timeless beauty. Turn your backyard into a whimsical wonderland with fairy garden edging, where miniature fairy houses, bridges, and charming figurines dance along the borders of your flower beds. This enchanting and whimsical concept sprinkles a dash of magic onto your landscape, beckoning you to journey into a realm of imagination and wonder. Picture yourself wandering among tiny cottages and whimsical bridges, surrounded by the laughter of fairies and the fragrance of blooming flowers. It's an invitation to escape the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary, transforming your outdoor space into a magical sanctuary where dreams take flight. So, gather your fairy friends, sprinkle some pixie dust, and let the enchantment begin. Craft a haven of tranquility in your backyard with Zen garden edging, where smooth stones and meticulously raked gravel form minimalist borders for your garden beds. This serene and meditative concept brings a sense of calm and equilibrium to your outdoor sanctuary, transforming it into a peaceful retreat where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Picture yourself surrounded by the gentle rustle of leaves and the soothing sound of flowing water, finding solace in the simplicity of nature's beauty. So, take a deep breath, center your thoughts, and let's create a backyard oasis that's a sanctuary for the soul. Transform your backyard into a sleek oasis with metal sheet edging, crafting crisp outlines for your garden and walkways. Combine this edging with a monochrome palette and minimalist furnishings for a chic, contemporary vibe that oozes sophistication. Say goodbye to cluttered chaos and hello to clean lines and understated elegance. It's all about creating a modern retreat where simplicity reigns supreme. So, grab those metal sheets, paintbrushes, and a vision for minimalism, and let's turn your outdoor space into a stylish sanctuary that'll make your neighbors green with envy.